Okay, first things I'm going to do is I'm going to pound the staple back into position. So now we're going to knock down the next staple. So now that those are flush, we're going to move on to attaching the legs. Okay, so I'm going to throw these back in here. And while some of the bolts were a little crooked, I think that once they tighten up, they'll kind of straighten out the leg. Because once the wood kind of evens out, it will reference off this surface. Even if the bolt's a little crooked, the leg will find itself vertically and fix the geometry and give it straightness. So don't worry about the staples, the holding power. What's going to happen is the dresser's always going to sit on the board and hold the board in place. So that's it. There's nothing left to do but take the protective tape off the cork. And hopefully that's a pretty complete dresser now. So this is it. This is the legless 4-drawer dresser with its legs.